Welcome back, guys. So today I'm here with Yolissa once more. All right, this is the packaging. The first thing I'm seeing is the wig. Okay, so we're gonna get into that in a few. All right, then I also got this Yolissa headband. It's branded, and a branded elastic band. I got a pair of lashes, a pair of HD wig caps, a edge brush and comb, and finally a drawstring branded bag. Perfect for storage, has all their social media information. Yep, very handy. Oh, I'm so excited, guys. This is actually Yolissa's 14 to 36 inch water wave wig HD virgin hair lace front. All right, also comes in 5x5 closures as well, so it ranges from the lengths 14 to 36 inches, and today the inch that I have is 26. Now when I tell you this, it's a 26 inch, but I honestly, it looks like a 30 inch, me holding it. It is so full. It feels like 250, but don't quote me. Check my description box to make sure. All the specifications will be listed down below. I need you guys to really look at this hairline. It's plucked to perfection. It's laid to perfection. It's so flat. No, it's a HD lace, right? You can tell this is real HD lace. Like, it just, I know this is gonna melt down so nicely. And they also pre-bleached the lace, so I love that. It's a 13x4, as I said before, and there are a total of 3 combs on the inside of the cap. It's a standard cap construction as well, and they also added this adjustable band on the inside, so you know, you could go ahead and just, you know, adjust this to how tight or loose you need it to be for extra security, or if you don't need it, then you could go ahead and feel free to remove it. Okay, so I always love to, you know, apply my wigs with my adjustable straps, and yeah, it also has adjustable straps in the back as well. So that's the construction of the wig. That's how it looks. It is very even. You're not seeing through the curls, so I love that, and it feels so soft. You know, as I said, it's a water wave. I know it's gonna be so pretty when it's wet or damp. So you know what, let's go ahead and get into this installation. Today I'm gonna be doing a really nice glue install. Let's go. You guys know I get really excited for a really nice, any curly textured wig, right? And then this is just so beautiful, and then it's a 1B and a, but it's, I feel like it's more leaning towards a number 1, which I love, because if you don't know nothing about me, you must know, say, when it comes onto my wigs, my go-to thing to do when it comes on to color with them is do them in jet black. It's not jet black, but it's pretty black, and I love that. 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 So of course I installed my, I'm doing the ball cap method. I always do the ball cap method whenever I'm doing a glue install, because as I said, I'm doing a glue install for today's wig. Alright, and yeah, so what I'm gonna do is of course cut off the excess on the sides, and I'm just gonna take my time, and I'm gonna go ahead and start applying my glue for the install. 3 layers of glue later, and I'm finally ready to apply it. And there we go with the immediate snatchness. That amazing wig face lift. Part is seen looking a little white. That is definitely going to dry down, so don't worry about that. I made sure to get a little closer. Okay, I'm just gonna cut away the excess lace. Guys, I love how easy it has been to install this wig so far. They constructed this wig to perfection, and I have to say I love the lace. Like, it's not too thick, like the perfect HD lace quality. As I say, you know, it takes up to 24 hours for your glue to completely dry down, so any little cast you're seeing is from the glue. But I think it looks so good already. They plucked this so nice. Like, I wonder if you see how flat this is. Feel free to go ahead and do no baby hairs, but you know I'm gonna do my little swoops. I feel like I give you guys so much options with wigs these days, wig install, where I barely ever do my edges anymore. So you guys can give it today. You guys can definitely get. And something about me doing my edges when I have on a curly texture, I just love. Okay, so yeah, man. Oh my gosh, this is so nice, so nice. Yes, I'm gonna be out and about in this beautiful install for this weekend. So I'm just allowing the edges to melt down even further. So while that's happening, I'm just gonna take my hot comb, ensure that the top is laid nice and flat, and pretty much spritz the entire wig with water, because I do want to, you know, have that nice dampened look. After all, it is a water wave wig, so that's the vibe we're going for. And I love how everything looks so far. It is absolutely stunning. It's a beautiful wig. As of right now, this is the wig in its dry state. It's so gorgeous. If you want to wear it big and just like not the wet look, this is stunning. So yeah, I'm just gonna get it wet, and then I'll come back and we brush it out together. I'll put a little conditioner in. I just have my Tresemme, that's it. And I diluted the had left in that with water. So yeah, and I damped it. As you can see, the hair is damp. Curls look good, but it's just water on it currently. So I'm gonna put some of this conditioner water on. Get it nice and silky. So I must let you know, so far I am getting minimal shedding. This is a lot of hair. It is curly. A curly texture, or wavy texture rather. I always recommend detangling these textures every single day. When you might bypass other textures, don't play with curly, because you don't want it to tangle on you. It doesn't matter how good of a quality the hair is, because think about your natural hair. all my curly girls, like, you still have to detangle your hair every time you decide to go ahead and, you know, wear it out, at least if you want to look put together, you know. So the same thing applies to your curly textured wigs. Look at that, it is so soft, absolutely, and it's so even at the end. It's not stringy, it's not stringy at all. So this is gonna, you know, take its time and it'll dry back up. But if you want to keep the wet look for a prolonged period, I always recommend adding mousse. I'm not talking like setting lotion, or I'm talking mousse. Like you can get, I don't know if they still have the soft sheen cars, it's been a while since I've used the mousse, but that's what I usually put in my curly textures to keep the wet look. A lot of people I find always have problems finding ways to keep the wet look. I don't really do the oil base stuff for the curly wigs because I don't want it to stay weighed down all the time. Sometimes I want it to bounce back up and be in its dry state, and mousse allows that, because once you brush it out, like, that wet vibe will be gone. The only thing with the mousse is that it'll be a little stiff, but a texture like this, I don't mind it. I mean, it's a lot of hair, it won't be like stiff, you know. But yeah, that's just me still. That's what I've always done. Okay, so this is finally finished. I have a whole next bottle, so I'm gonna get into that. So yeah, the wig is giving what it's supposed to give. So that's how we're looking now. All I need to do is remove my elastic band, and this is how it looks. This hair gave me that vibe where I definitely want to just wear it pull back. But yeah, that is it. ft.Yolissa here for today's bomb water wave textured wig. They did their thing. I 10 out of 10 recommend this wig. Vacation, definitely this will probably be my first choice. Like, definitely. So to learn from now. Yeah, a curly texture is always my first choice, and this wig is just perfection. Honestly, I 10 out of 10 would recommend. The direct link to this wig will be in my description box, so please go ahead, check it out. Shout out to Yolissa here once more because it's amazing. Love it, love it. But yeah, all the specifications will be listed as well. Any deals going on, you know, summer is right around the corner, so go ahead, check out the description box down below and go ahead, get yourself a beautiful water wave wig. I stand by this 100%, and if you want to go longer, they go all the way up to 36 inches. Okay. On me, you know, I'm 5'1", so this is giving 30 inches on me right now with this 26 inch. I think Yolissa is always a good company when it comes down to length with wigs. For the years I've been working with them, I've always gotten really nice long lengths from them, and always great quality. So I love that. But yeah, that's it for today's wig look. I hope you guys like it. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumb up. Don't forget to go ahead and check down below. Shout out to Yolissa once more. That's it for today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and make up on yourself.